fingers like this must be handled delicately. I mean, it ain't like hacking into a watermelon or something. It's gotta be done with care. With precision. I don't use no knife or nothing. I'm pretty good with my hands. That's why the boss first hired me. There was this one time I like 3 guys with nothing but my own 9.5 fingers. So what I do? I like to look at the skin first, just to see where the bumps and marks is. I look for the weak spot. Then I listen. He says to me, no, please not me, but I gotta ignore it. Smells pretty bland, but I know it'll get stronger in a little while. When I find a weak spot, I gouge my thumbnail under the flesh. There's usually a crack and ripping sort of noise, but it don't bother me much no more. When I get a little section of the skin peeled back, the smell gets a lot stronger. It usually feels kind of like wet rubber underneath the skin. I hate it when I get squirted in the eye when I'm ripping it off. That's no fun. Maybe I'm making too much of it, but hey, this is what I do. Except this time the boss is getting impatient. He sits there watching me. I know he's got something on his mind. He's got that look on his face like, hurry up, he's got more important things to do. So now I'm nervous too. I think I hear a siren in the distance. My fingers are fumbling to finish. I mean, geez, you can't rush an artist or you get sloppy art. So finally I get the skin peeled off. So I'm looking at the cells in this clear gunk where you'd think a spine ought to be. And the boss starts tapping his foot. I throw a chunk of the skin at him and tell him to keep his shirt on. So now there's juices flowing all over the place. On my hands, the floor, everywhere. The smell's real strong now and I'm sweating like bullets or something, but I think I hear that siren again. Enough is enough, I says, and I grab a hunk of the stuff and I cram it in my mouth. I'm making a mess, but it tastes so good I don't care none. So I'm chewing and drooling and whatnot, and the boss is sitting there looking like maybe he's gonna be sick. I think he'd enjoy it if he'd just try a bite, So I get done eating the stuff, and it's all dripping from my chops, and the boss shakes his head. He scratches his mustache, and he says to me, "You and your stupid oranges." Then he tosses me a napkin, and we get in the car and go break some guy's kneecaps so it'll pay up. Then the boss laughs and asks me if I want a bite, and I says to him, "What do you think, I'm a savage or something?"